your time. Your time is your biggest asset. Sir, your biggest asset is your time. Remember this one. Not your money, not your business, not your skills, even not your skills, not your businesses, not your money. Your time is biggest asset. Asset. Your biggest asset is the time. Time is everything, friend. Time is everything. You should spend your time only on what you are good at, what you enjoy, what gives more results. Okay, what you are good at, what you enjoy to do, what provide more results. On those activities only you require to spend your time. Time is everything. Time is your biggest asset. What you people should aware. Okay. So just you require to give importance only for where you are too good at. What you are good at. What you enjoy to do. Next, where you will get more results. You have to spend the time only on these things only. Everything else, someone else should do that. Everything else, someone else should do that. Okay, this concept is nothing but buyback principle. Buyback principle. What it means is, you have to spend your time where you are, what is your zone of genius, where you are enjoying. For a kikai, you require to spend the time on that, where you are going to get higher results. That only you require to spend. The rest of everything else, someone is going to take care.